In today's video, I am going to talk about what is 5G, how 5G speed up our lives, companies that are collaboratively working on 5G, and finally, what are the other use cases of 5G. Okay, hello guys, my name is Nikhil and welcome back to my channel. Now, let's get started. What is 5G? 5G is a fifth generation air interface mobile network. In favorable condition, 5G can transmit radio waves at a whopping 20 gigabytes per second. That is in comparison with 4G maximum of 200 megabytes per second speed. Apart from its high speed, it has an extremely low latency rate at 1 millisecond in comparison with 4G 100 milliseconds latency, which means 5G will respond to our clicks immediately. In our multi-gigabytes application or file downloads should happen instantly. Access to cloud service should be jiffy. Multiplayer gaming experience should be with zero internet lag. There is a lot going to come. You sit back and enjoy. Now, how 5G speeds up our lives? Because of high speed and low latency, it is estimated that on an average your mobile data consumption will increase up to 11 gigabytes per month from the current 2.3 gigabytes per month. The number of app downloads, video watching, live streaming, multiplayer gaming will see a sharp spike. Your home appliances will connect and work seamlessly. You can draw the curtain down sitting on your couch. Open your house gate from inside your car with zero delay. With 5G network, the 8K content on your ultra big screen will be more realistic and audio from your personal home theater system will be more immersive than ever. And the bonus is your modem will be wireless. You might also be curious to know which companies are working on 5G technology. First, you need to understand that 5G is an ecosystem. To deploy 5G network, you need a research and development center with multi-million-dollar investment. Manufacturers who can make mobile devices that support 5G networks. Network hardware such as tower, antennas, transmitter that can transmit 5G radio signal. A service provider who can provide you a 5G tariff plan and so on. Companies like Qualcomm, Samsung, Ericsson, Intel, Verizon, T-Mobile are working on the technology and many other companies are directly or indirectly working on 5G implementation. So it is not just one company alone, while in countries like Hong Kong, Ireland, Taiwan, Thailand, United Kingdom and United States have either partially or fully deployed. Rest of the world is either planning or testing. These data is in an today. It will change tomorrow. Planning, testing and development will happen over the next couple of years. It takes few years to deploy it in every part of the world. You might have this question, since 5G transmit high radio frequency, does it damage our health? The answer is no. 5G will no affect your health. To cause health harms, human body cells must be exposed to gamma rays, cosmic radiation, nuclear radiation or X-rays. Through some studies say that 4G, 3G or 2G caused health harm, but there is no scientific evidence to prove it. 5G transmits radio frequency in a range of 600 MHz to 6 GHz in a mid-range band, which is not enough to cause any harm to the human body. 5G will be available in 3 bands: low band below than 1 GHz, medium band 1 GHz to 6 GHz and high band also known as millimeter waves. Now, what are the other use cases of 5G? 5G is not just limited to mobile plans. 4G use cause was more than B2C, but in 5G there will be lot of B2B use cases, domain use cases and industrial use cases other than B2C use cases. It is anticipated that the 5G network will be used but not limited to agriculture, remote surgery, education, oil and gas industry, construction companies, autonomous automobile and augmented reality. 5G will be a big boom in the Internet of Things, space and household unified devices such as smartwatches, smartphone, refrigerator, washing machine, home lighting and other home appliances will connect with your mobile devices and give you the real-time data to manage them, thereby increasing the household efficiency. You can either operate them remotely or program them to run on certain schedule or condition. Whether 5G, the home automation experience will be next level due to its reliability. All there are use cases on Internet of Thing domain. In other paradigm, you can see autonomous car sending and receiving signal to gather data from the object around them to prevent accident. Autonomous car can also send and receive data among themselves to prevent accident. They will have information such as traffic light, prediction, route map and so on. Companies like Volvo, Renault, Tesla are working on autonomous cars. That's all for today. I will bring more such informative tech video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support my channel in the form of like, share and subscribing to my channel. Once again, thank you so much.